Freedom of assembly is the right of individuals to gather peacefully for a common purpose, such as expressing opinions, protesting, or celebrating shared values. This fundamental right is essential to democratic societies, as it allows people to collectively advocate for change, voice dissent, and participate in public life. The origins of freedom of assembly can be traced back to the Enlightenment period, where thinkers like John Locke and Jean-Jacques Rousseau emphasized the importance of collective action in shaping society. In modern times, freedom of assembly has been enshrined in foundational documents such as the First Amendment to the United States Constitution and Article 20 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Recognizing its role in promoting democracy and civic engagement, freedom of assembly operates through several key features, including the right to peaceful protest, protection from government interference, and inclusivity. The right to peaceful protest ensures that individuals can gather to express their views without fear of suppression, provided the assembly does not incite violence or pose a threat to public safety. Protection from government interference requires that authorities respect and facilitate assemblies, refraining from imposing unreasonable restrictions or punitive measures. Inclusivity guarantees that all individuals, regardless of race, gender, religion, or political affiliation, have the right to participate in assemblies, fostering a diverse and representative public sphere. Examples of freedom of assembly include the civil rights movement in the United States, where peaceful marches and demonstrations were instrumental in advancing racial equality and justice. Another example is the global climate strikes organized by youth activists, which bring together millions of participants to demand action on climate change and environmental protection. These assemblies demonstrate the power of collective action in driving social and political change. The benefits of freedom of assembly are significant. It empowers citizens to voice their concerns, advocate for their rights, and influence public policy. By providing a platform for collective expression, freedom of assembly strengthens community bonds and encourages civic participation. It also serves as a check on government power, ensuring that authorities remain accountable to the people they serve. However, freedom of assembly is not without its criticisms. One common concern is that large gatherings can disrupt public order, leading to traffic congestion, property damage, or clashes between opposing groups. Critics also argue that some assemblies may be used to promote harmful ideologies or incite violence, posing risks to social cohesion and security. Balancing the right to assemble with the need to maintain public safety and order is an ongoing challenge for governments and societies. Freedom of assembly remains a cornerstone of democratic governance, enabling individuals to unite in pursuit of common goals while contributing to a vibrant and participatory civic life.